Alam mo, minsan, takot lang talaga ang kalaban natin. Takot matalo, takot mapahiya, takot magkamali. Pero isipin mo, what if your excitement to win is bigger than your fear to lose? Kasi madalas hindi naman talo agad eh. Natatalo lang tayo kapag hindi tayo sumubok. Parang basketball, di ba? Paano ka makakashoot kung ayaw mo namang tumira? Ang goal mo dapat simple, to try. Kasi every try may lesson, every risk may chance, at every chance may possibility na manalo ka. So next time na may opportunity, huwag mong isipin agad, paano kung matalo ako? Instead, tanungin mo, paano kung ito na yung panalo ko? Remember, fear will hold you back, but excitement will move you forward. Kaya piliin mo yung excitement. Kasi habang buhay kang takot, wala kang panalong mararanasan. Take that step. You might just surprise yourself.